Lab Archives connects the ELN and inventory to make it easier to document reagents and items used in the ELN while automatically updating inventory. You can search your Lab Archives inventory from the ELN and record items that you use by adding an inventory list entry. While accessing a page in your notebook, click the Add New Entry icon and select Inventory List. A window will appear where you can see all of your inventory items. This will look similar to the inventory screen, showing the same columns you see when in inventory, such as name, inventory type, quantity, etc. To search through your inventory, you can use the search bar for a simple search or click this upside down triangle to see the advanced search features. If you are using the same reagents for multiple experiments, we recommend saving the search to quickly pull up the list. Clicking on an item's name will provide more information on that item. The About tab will provide details such as inventory type, vendor, catalog number, etc. These are information fields that pertain to all inventory types. The Details tab will provide information that pertains to this item's inventory type. The Labels tab is where you can see and print this item's QR code. The Attachment tab is where you will find attachments that pertain to this item, such as MSDS documents. The History tab is where you can see all the changes made to this item, when this item was added, viewed, and used. To record usage of an item, click the Use Now button next to that item's name. Specify the quantity used and then click Save. This keeps the inventory quantity up to date for improved lab management. If you want to record usage of this item without deducting a quantity, check this box here. For example, if you use a piece of equipment such as a beaker, this is an item that can be used multiple times and the quantity of the number of beakers in your lab do not change per usage. After you click Save, you'll notice this check mark here next to Use Now. This will specify the usage of this item will be recorded. You can record usage of multiple items in the same inventory list entry. All items that you've selected to use will have a check mark next to Use Now. Once you close out of the window, the items that you selected will be listed. To add another item, click Search Inventory. If you would like to document an item that is not currently in your inventory, you can manually add an item to the list. Click this Manually Add an Inventory Item to the List button. Here, you can add the information for this item and add it to your inventory list. This can be an item that is not tracked in inventory, but for best practices should be included in the list. If you delete an item from the inventory list entry, you will need to adjust the quantity for that item in inventory to correct the quantity information. You can provide a name for your inventory list. Then click Save to Page. This can be handy when searching for specific inventory lists. Clicking an item on this list will direct you to that item's detail page in Lab Archives inventory. Alternatively, you can click this link here, which will direct you back to the inventory list entry. For more information on Lab Archives, ELN, and inventory, please see our knowledge base by clicking the Help icon and selecting Knowledge Base. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@labarchives.com. To subscribe to our videos, click the Lab Archives logo on the left. For additional training videos, Click on the link to the right.